I ate the wrong meal. That's how some of y'all be looking when y'all drink that lean. Y'all be drinking that lean. You be having that Xanax, that Molly, that flocka waka waka. That waka flocka. You like to get hot, don't you? You look pretty when you fuck. I'm over here tripping the fuck out. God damn. Woo, shit. I look like I'm from one of them groups or something. Woo, I don't like that one. Let's see what else we got. Hey, Run DMC, Peter Piper, Pillar Pepper. Oh, what's up, Bob? What was that time? The kids on time. That wiggle, and it was quick. I told you I'm a goddamn fool. Well, shit, I'm headed to space. I'm leaving you motherfuckers down there. You gonna stay down there where it's fucked up at? Wee! Beam me up, Scotty. E.T., I'm coming home. Hello, Millie Mia. Hello, Millie Mia. Hello, Millie Mia. Hey! I say chicken head. I see chicken head. I see chicken head. Oh, save me so bad.
Welcome to Jumanji.
I'm singing in quicksand. Somebody help me, please. Ah, god damn. Somebody throw me a rope in this motherfucker. Somebody just grab a goddamn motherfucking fishing pole and get a bitch out of this quicksand. I done fell down deep. Oh shit, alligator, I wrestle your motherfucking ass to get the fuck out. Hey, help me, this big motherfucker up there. Hey, we up in there wrestling shit. Y'all know I wrestle alligator. She saw me on the picture with boy. He tried to pull me under. He won't let me go. Somebody help me for this alligator. Ah, shit, get your bitch ass out of here. Get the fuck out of here. All I do is motherfucking play. Hell yeah, I do. Shit. Hey, I'm a rapper rapping on the team. Y'all niggas see me make you green. I'm a cold motherfucker on the team. That's how new raps be. Sweet, go ahead and get fucked up. I say, wiggity, wiggity, wig. Yeah, drink it all in your cup. Say wiggity, wig, yeah. Yeah, get fucked up. I say wiggity, wiggity, wig, yeah. Just drink it on up. Hey, drink it. Drink it. Hey, drink it. Drink it in your cup. That's how them new rappers be. Yeah, drink it.